to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips, and in this video I will show you on how to save your Photoshop file or PSD file as JPEG. Just like what you see right here, this particular file here are PSD file and all layers have been fully presented, and in some cases when you are done with your design or you have a PSD file that you want to save as JPEG, you find it difficult. As a result of that, I'm going to show you right here in this video. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Then have a click on File. Go ahead and click on Save a Copy right here. And this window here is going to come up. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and look for the file destination. So I'm going to go ahead here and then make sure I choose desktop right here. So I'm going to click on desktop. Then I'm going to look for a file folder right here. So I'm going to save this into this particular folder. I'm going to double click on the folder. The next thing I'm going to do is to come down below right here and click on Save as Type. So click on that, and here you have to make sure you choose JPEG right here. So let's find out. So we are looking for JPEG file, just like so. So you see JPEG. Select on that. Once you select on that, go ahead and click on Save. Then here you go. You have this particular dialog box right here. Now, for you to maintain higher resolution of JPEG file, make sure you go ahead and make sure you click on this place right here, and make sure in some cases, make sure you always make this at maximum. That will give you higher resolution of JPEG, and make sure this is turned down right here, which is it's going to give you a large file, but you are getting higher resolution. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on OK right here. And in a few seconds, the file is going to save as JPEG, just like what you see right here. The file is being saved and successfully saved as JPEG. You can go ahead and view your PSD file as JPEG on your PC. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this about how best to use your Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.